Cousins.
Spotted.
Twins.
Twins.
Look at that. It's funny, you still see these Mark 5 rabbits. You don't see the GTI Mark 5s much anymore. But I do see the rabbits on the road. Okay guys, so we're at a little under half a tank and it's been acting up a little bit. It kind of stalls and then comes back to life again. What I'm gonna do is fill the tank. Oh, here we go, we're stalling right now.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, this is the, oh, we're dead.
Your hazard's on? So the car sat for, what, probably 45 minutes?
Well, maybe 30, 45 minutes, but I don't know. We're gonna see if it does it. If it does it here, it's gonna be fuel pump related. Someone said fuel, if it doesn't do it now, after this.
Mm-hmm. And if it does, then what's the next thing to check?
I'm not sure. I'll have to put up to a live scanner, my live scanner, and see if I can read fuel pressure, read the data, see what it says. So it's acting up right now. Let's see what happens here. I think we're good. I'm gonna reset the fuel. Oh, it's done right now, I think.
We need to find shade and park it.
Let's see. I thought it was dying. Maybe it's not. Alright, I'm just gonna keep driving it, see what happens here, but it was kind of weird when I started it. It already had fuel in it. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. 101 says the temperature. Let's see. It is warm.
Now the time for the car to stall out.
Alright guys, full tank. Gone about 5 miles, no issues at all, so looks like it's going to be fuel related. So I'll probably go ahead and order a fuel pump and filter, and we should be golden. I ordered, just like I told you earlier, I ordered the vacuum pump delete kit, so that'll be nice. Oil all over the engine, the pump is leaking.
Well, if you were with us for the stalling saga yesterday,
we're back at it again, and we're at under 3/4 of a tank, and it's stalled about 5 times within less than a mile. So the pump is, oh, I don't really want to stall in, a good thing. I don't want to even cut out in front of traffic because this thing isn't staying running at all, so.
especially when you try to accelerate it.
Yeah. Oh, there we go, we stalled again.
We're out of the road. So, going to order.
Oh, there we go, stalled again.
We're like a block away from the house. This time it has a little wrench tool flashing.
Yeah, it's not showing mileage yet. That's when you start.
Just kidding. Well, at this point, even if we have to.
Gas, it seems to be running better.
So, going to order the fuel pump. Are you going with the Bosch from China or?
Well, that's the thing. So I'm going to look a little more. So there's a Bosch one. So it's a fuel pump for this for like $45. You know, I'm sure it's Chinese. But the Bosch one's $105. But someone said in the comments that it says made in China right on it. So I'm a little leery about spending another $40 for another Chinese one if the quality is going to be the same. So that's where I'm at.
Here, you want me to go grab your keys?
Alright everyone, so I changed the fuel pump. I did go with the Bosch pump and sending unit.
push.
Check car garage.
You want to try it again? We're gonna get out and push. That was strange.
Yeah.
No.
That kind of. I wonder if that's
Oh.
great position sensor.
The adventure keeps on adventuring. So you just replaced
the fuel pump, but every time we come to a stop,
We smelled a bunch of gas today.
we smell fuel, and it's not very strong, but I smell it. So I thought it might be the seal underneath the fuel pump there. So I'm not sure. So we pushed it in here. We had a couple of nice citizens help us push it in. It broke down right on the road there.
Keeps shuddering real hard when you're trying to start it.
So it's funny. There was a check engine light. There's check engine light on here. It's for a bunch of stuff, but one of them was crank position sensor. So right now, you smell a little fuel.
Oh yeah.
It's under half a tank, but
That's when it starts acting up, it seems.
well, it does, but
It usually starts right back up.
yeah, I mean, it even does it over. Even if you're at if you're driving over an hour, because we were at just under 3/4 of a tank and it died. We filled it up and it started back up, and then we drove to the gas station, filled it up, and it didn't happen anymore. But normally when it's dying, it'll like try to start itself again, but it's not even doing that. It's like there's no even spark or anything like that. So I wonder if we're having some crank position sensor issues.
You want to go home and grab the diagnostic tool?
Yeah, I mean, it said it before, but I mean, we could try it now, but I don't know. I'll have to get it back to the house.
To the drawing board.
Yeah, I've never had this issue to where it doesn't start at all.
Can you open the tank and see if there's pressure? Yeah, I smell it too. No pressure?
No.
I think this is a sign.
I saw the sign.
It didn't open your eyes yet.
Well, the best thing that's happened was in tow history with AAA, I just put in a tow claim, and the guy called me, says, hey, you're not, there he is right there. Pete's Towing.
It's only, what, 108 real fuel?
So it's a little warm, but he just called me, says, hey, you're not at Walgreens by chance, are you? He's like, I said, yes. He's like, I'm right across the street, I'll be right there.
That never happens.
So, all right. Well, we're getting towed.
Well,
Back to the drawing board. It's definitely fuel. Yeah, no pressure at the rail. Fuel pump time.
take two.
I don't know why they don't include the seal with these. It's kind of weird. But we
You
got
had to buy it
seal too.
separately?
Yeah, I have to buy it separately. Got that from Advanced Auto Parts.
See you later.
Well, the reason why it stopped working is because this barbed hose popped right off this fitting in here on the pump. So, wasn't able to suck fuel up. There's the reasoning.
gas.
Well, we're working. So as you can see, the hose blew right off the pump. So I went ahead and put the new pump on, the new seal on, and we're back to that. We're back to action. We're working again. So hopefully that'll solve the issue with the fuel pump. Next, registration and insurance, and we'll be good. All right, guys, quick fix. Got a replacement, free replacement, and it's been fine since. When I'm driving over an hour, this seems to be the occurrence. That's when all this fuel pump issues happen. So I haven't really taken on any long rides, so can't say if it's truly fixed yet. But it's been on here, I've been driving around, and it's fine. So I will keep you guys updated on a big run. Once I go on like maybe an hour and a half run, we'll see how it does. But hey, the car's running, so we're gonna continue to cruise in it. So stay tuned, I'll keep you guys posted if anything happens. The Rabbit is on the road. Take it easy, guys. Peace.